Hi guys, today we are me, Papa and Mikey. Today me, Papa, Mikey and Mama are at Duck Lake today with all of the ducks. Come on, let's go see the ducks.
Show them.
Here's the ducks, guys.
So those are the ducks?
Those are the ducks. I don't never seen a black and white duck before, but
Show them the lake. How about the lake?
here's the lake, guys.
What happened? Why don't you introduce them to the duck? So these are the ducks here at Duck Lake Park.
These are the ducks here at Duck Lake. They seem very, very harmless because they're cute and nice. So really harmless.
So where are we again?
At the duck farm park.
Oh,
Oh my God.
atras konti kay magalit yan pag maglapit ka.
Back.
Oh, say bye-bye na sa vlog mo.
Bye bye vlog. Me and Papa are gonna explore na